We are told that between 50 to 70 millimeter it's about that circular impression that you see in the Garbhagriha at the Lord Ram. What a beautiful moment. Different angles that are coming to you. Sharp image, directly and elegantly gracing the forehead between the brows of Lord Ram, ensuring that the deity is not impacted. There's going to be a Chappan Bhog, the 56 delicacies that will be offered as prasad. The bells ringing, the chanting of the mantras, the aarti that is on. All of this from the third floor when the sun rays started to pour in. And then through a mechanism which was meticulous, designed and implemented in such a way. Symbolic anointment has finally happened. The sun god has directly blessed Lord Ram, the god, the Bhagwan, the Prabhu of all Indians, all Hindus and all Ram Bhakts. Even if they are not from the Hindu community, there are Ram Bhakts from other religious communities as well who believe in the righteousness and duty of Lord Ram. For them, it's a moment to remember. For the Ayodhya Vasis, who have only heard of all this about centuries ago, and this generation in Ayodhya witnessing in person. The birthplace of Lord Ram, the Ram Nagari, finally getting those traditions back in the modern era of 2024. The radiance, the might and guidance of Lord Ram is now getting transferred, as is called the embodiment of sun's qualities. This is the essence of Ram's heritage, a descendant of the Suryavanshis. The Suryavanshis who have fought for too long. Remember earlier we told you about the Suryavanshis who refused to cover their head till their Ram Lalla got ahead, and that happened generation after generation, and only this year they've finally started to put a turban over their head. It's been a struggle and fight, not just for centuries but generations that have continued. And for this moment, as science and spirituality that we are reminding again can go together, that these are not just obsolete beliefs but archaeo astronomy happening. And as the news has broken, confirmed of the Surya Tilak in Assam as well, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi presently is, we are told there's chanting happening of Jai Shri Ram, Jai Siya Ram. Let's dip into that as well, about how, and I'm sure this is not just Assam, this must be across the country, across the world, as Ram Bhakts are watching this Surya Namaskar to take place, the blessings of the celestial system.
सब लोग अपने मोबाइल का फ्लैश चालू करें। सब लोग, भले दिखाई नहीं देगा लेकिन आप करें। प्रभु राम को सूर्य तिलक हो रहा है, तब हमारे मोबाइल फोन से भी प्रभु राम को हम प्रणाम कर रहे हैं। हम भी सूर्य तिलक में हमारे मोबाइल की किरण भेज रहे हैं। मेरे साथ बोलिए, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी।
Well, I can tell you that we have never seen anything like this, isn't it? And this is the beauty of the Sanatan Dharma. It's evolving. A centuries-old faith, a centuries-old religion, but constantly evolving, constantly has science in modern ways associated with the faith. It's not bound by only obsolete beliefs. It's constantly witnessing an evolution, and with science, what was Surya Abhishek given to the Ram Lalla centuries ago? You're witnessing it. It's not just a tradition that we've heard of, but in 2024, perhaps this is how it is believed to have looked like when Ram Lalla was born. Born to the Suryavanshis, and in Ayodhya, he continued to and went on to become the Lord of the Hindus, one of those main gods as we worship, who had been seen in human form, who has led the people, not just in Ayodhya, of course, but from the north to the south. The righteousness and duty, the qualities of energy and vigor and leadership, of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, good over evil. Not only the sun represents all these qualities of energy and hope, but it's as much Lord Ram. So that curtain has been put. It's a brief break that has been given to to the Lord Ram as the Aarti, of course, in its full fervor. For the priests, remember, at this time, who are taking care of the Ram Lalla, who did the Snan, did the Shringar, they are witnessing this moment as well. But through the curtains, you can witness this historic moment. Incredible, isn't it? Fascinating how this has been arrived. And it's not just, of course, about the priests. Accompanying the priests and how they believed what was written in the ancient texts were the scientists. Scientists coming in from the Central Building Research Institute, CBRI, Indian Institute of Astrophysics, IIT Roorkee, companies from Bengaluru like Optica who got together, designed it in a way that we can see what we had heard could have happened, possibly as is written in our texts and believed by Ram Bhakt, that he was symbolically anointed by the sun god himself to take the people ahead. And we are witnessing it. Can we call this anything less than a spiritual renaissance, an awakening, so to say? To only have heard of what was written in our scriptures, to be witnessing in it. And witnessing in all its glory, exact at this moment. It's lasted for barely a few minutes, but it's happened like it was meticulously planned. The optomechanical system, the mechanical engineering with the tradition as per text have come together.